This is the Hoco ES62 Plus neckband. I want to connect it to my laptop, so I turn it on. But when I try to connect it to my laptop, the Hoco ES62 Plus device is not visible on my laptop. If the Hoco ES62 Plus device is not visible on the laptop, let's see how to fix it. First, make sure that your neckband has enough charge. If the neckband does not have enough charge, charge it for 20 minutes. After charging the neckband, try connecting it to your laptop. If Hoco ES62 Plus still does not appear on the laptop, check if Hoco ES62 Plus is connected to any other device. If the Hoco ES62 Plus is connected to another device, unpair it from there. Now Hoco ES62 Plus is showing on laptop. Connect it now. Hoco ES62 Plus is now connected to laptop.